All right, welcome back to the Lexicata Getting Started video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom email templates, edit your existing email templates, and make custom email campaigns that will be triggered to go out automatically. So let's go ahead and go into the settings area. And then we're going to go to your email settings page. So within the email settings page, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff happening. At the top, there's going to be a list of email templates. You also have an email signature, and you have the ability to create email campaigns. So let's go through each of these one by one and show you how it all works. First of all, the email templates. So you're going to see within email templates, there's 4 different categories. You have form email templates, document email templates, appointment email templates, and then what we call other email templates. So form email templates are only used with regard to intake forms in Lexicata. So anytime you're sending out a form, sending out a reminder about a form, sending a confirmation email when a form's submitted, those will use your form email templates only. Similarly, for documents, you have your document email templates. These are used for sending out documents for e-signing, document reminder emails for documents that have not been signed, and document confirmation emails when a document is signed successfully. And then with the appointment emails, same kind of thing. You have the appointment confirmation email. If you remember from previous videos, we showed you how to send those out. The confirmation email goes when you send it, or the confirmation email goes out when you schedule the appointment, and the reminder email goes out a specified amount of time before the appointment. So you can customize any of these templates simply by clicking on the template name, clicking the edit link on the right hand side, and that will open up the email template editor. Once you get inside the email template editor, you can go about making changes. So you can change the title of the template at the top. Keep in mind this is only used internally to reference this email. It's not something your clients would ever see. You can assign the template to a specific form or document if you want. You can adjust the subject line here, and you can modify the body of the email down here. The other things you can change here are going to be the greeting and sign off. With those, you can kind of control how the automation happens. So you'll see by default it says hi, brackets, first name. If you wanted to instead say hi, salutation, last name, you could change that over on the right. So you could say, hi, Mr. Jones instead of hi, Bob. You could take out hi if you want. You could change the comma to a colon. You can do whatever you want. You just can't delete the actual name part. This part gets automated into the email automatically, so it's just how you want to address your client when you send out the email, and it's going to go above the body at the very top. So you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it for now as hi, first name, comma. Same thing here down for the sign off. You can do thanks or sincerely or whatever, or you can delete it altogether if you want. And then you can use your first name, first and last name, the law firm name, or put nothing. So completely customizable there. We'll just leave it as is. Finally, you can add attachments as well. Any email template can have any number of attachments that are linked to it. So what would happen is anytime that email template is used to send out an email, it's going to automatically attach that file along with it. And then finally, the last thing that is very important that you need to be aware of, the link or appointment time or whatever else will automatically get inserted into the email template depending what type of email template it is. So this is why it's important that we have different kinds of email templates. The system has to know what to insert into the email. So if you're sending an intake form, it's going to insert the link to the intake form. If you're sending a document, it's going to insert the link to the document. And if you're sending an appointment, confirmation, or reminder, it's going to insert the time and date of that appointment. So you don't have to put that in the body of the email yourself. That'll happen automatically when the email gets generated. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Save here. All right, so you can go about editing any of these default email templates that we give you. But the other thing I want to show you here is going to be creating your own email templates. So you can do that within each of these email template categories up here, or we have the other email templates, and these are going to be used pretty commonly for just any other kinds of communications you want to send out to your clients. So what you can do is click New, Other Template. And these are great for things like follow-up emails, checking in, maybe reaching out to a referral partner to drum up some business, really any other thing you can think of within Lexicata where you want to just quickly fire off an email without having to manually draft it every single time. Let's just go ahead and make an email template here for checking in with a referral partner. All right, so we'll put referral partner check-in as the title. And for the subject line, we'll say, how have you been? All right, and then down here for the body, we're just gonna say, it's been about 2 months since we last spoke. It would be great to get together again and grab lunch or a coffee. Let me know if you have some time in the next few weeks. All right, so you get the idea. Whatever you want to say here, you can draft up this email and you'll be able to reuse this anytime you want to send an email out to your referral partner to quickly check in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and save that. All right, so back here now you'll see you have one other email template in the system, and you can send this out from the matter page or the contact page. Okay, the last couple things I want to show you here in the settings are going to be your email signature. So just like with Gmail or Outlook or any other email program, Lexicata gives you the ability to create your own email signature that's going to automatically be added to the bottom of every email you send out. So basically you just click add email signature, and it's going to give you this text editor here where you can just go ahead and put in your signature. So I can put in my name, you can do different formatting options, you can do images if you want to upload your logo, really whatever you want, links to your website. All right, we'll do that, we'll do a link. Okay, you get the idea. You can put your phone number, all kinds of stuff, and you just save it, and then that email signature will automatically go out with your emails. The email signature also is unique for each user on your account, so every user can create their own email signature. It'll just be used whenever that particular user is the one sending out the emails. So just keep that in mind. Finally, the last thing we have here is our email campaign feature. So let me show you how this works really quick. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Email Campaign. An email campaign is basically just a series of emails. So the nice thing about this is they can be triggered to go out at predefined time intervals. And so let me just show you how you would go about making one of these. I'm just going to call it Example Campaign. And so the email campaigns are going to use your other type of email templates. You cannot insert an intake form email or a document email or an appointment email into these campaigns. It's only the other email templates, so you do need to create some templates before you can do this. Once you've created a template, you just click here to add an email. This part's really straightforward. You just want to select which template you're going to use. In this case, I only have the one that I just created, the referral partner check-in, but I'll just select it just for demonstration purposes. So you could add, as many as you want. You can add 20 emails or 100 if you want, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do one. You can also move them up and down by dragging and dropping here. And then finally, if you'd like, we give you the ability to schedule these automatically. So this is where it gets pretty powerful. If you want to do that, you can check the box. You can select an option here, choosing a number on the left. So maybe you want to say, 30 days. So basically 30 days after this campaign gets created, this email will go out automatically. So you get the idea. You could add any number of emails you want into the campaign. Each one can be triggered a specific number of days or months or weeks in advance. And basically those emails, when you add the campaign, will all be scheduled at that time and they'll go out at the designated time intervals. So it's a pretty awesome way to automate the process of following up or checking in with clients and things like that. And then you can just reuse these campaigns and add them to your matters anytime you want, and the emails will just be set to go out. Just go ahead and click Create Campaign and that will save it. Okay, and so the last thing I'm going to show you is actually how you can go about sending out these emails or these email campaigns. So let's quickly go back to the dashboard. And we're going to go back to our bankruptcy matter here for Tom Jameson. As I mentioned before, the form, document, and appointment emails are only used for those specific action items. So those are found again in the workflow. So when you schedule an appointment, that's when you can use your appointment email templates. When you prepare a form, that's when you can use your form email templates. When you prepare a document, that's when you use your document email templates. the schedule email action on the workflow, as well as the emails tab. These are the places where you can use those other email templates. So now that I created one other email template, it's going to be here in my drop-down list. So there it is, referral partner check-in. Super easy to do this. You literally just click on the name of the template, and it drafts your email instantaneously, just how you set it up in settings. So here's the subject, here's the body, automatically inserts their name based on how you configured it, and it puts your email signature at the very bottom. And if you had any attachments, it would also put those on there as well. So basically just a really seamless process for drafting and sending out emails. When you're ready, you just click the send button, and it's that easy, and your email has been sent. So the last thing I want to show you here is going to be how to add an email campaign. That's going to be in this little drop down over on the right-hand side. You'll notice this will list all your workflow templates as well as email campaigns. In this case, I have my example campaign right here. So if I were to click this, it would basically just add the campaign. In this case, it's only a single email. And as I mentioned previously, that email will be scheduled automatically. It's going to go out 30 days from now. So pretty cool. Really easy way to trigger automated emails. And if you needed to, you can always cancel these emails as well. So that's how the email campaigns work. Let's go ahead and just remove that. Pretty straightforward. So that wraps up this video on the email functions of Lexicata. I showed you how to build campaigns, how to build email templates, how to customize the existing email templates, and how to add your own email signature. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can build your own workflow templates to create reusable, repeatable processes to use in Lexicata. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.